everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I decided to do a really quick and fun challenge. It's the 5-minute makeup challenge. Now the reason why I decided to do this is because a lot of you guys are starting with your college, and I remember when I was in college I wouldn't have any more than 5 minutes. So I think this should probably help you guys, and also this is kind of like my everyday makeup routine. Obviously I don't wear this exact makeup every single day, but this is when I don't have enough time and I still want to look put together. So this is the look that I go for. Anyway, if you want to know how I did in the 5-minute makeup challenge, then keep on watching. Okay, so let's just get started with the makeup. I'm gonna be not editing this entire part, so it's going to be raw 5 minutes footage. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna start with the timer, and here we go. The first thing that I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be using some lip balm. This is the Benefits Bene Balm, and I'm gonna be mixing my moisturizer in with my foundation to save time. Okay. I'm just gonna be using my fingers because it's just a lot faster, and honestly I think that fingers blend the best. Also, this sunscreen kind of acts like a primer, so that's nice. Kind of fills in the pores and all of that. Okay, I think it looks blended. I'm just gonna be using some Makeup Revolution's banana powder and baking, I guess. This is honestly so stressful. I don't know why I decided to do this. The next thing that I'm going to be doing is I'm actually going to be applying my lipstick because it takes the least amount of time. How much time do we have left? Alright, moving on to the brows. Now brows take the most amount of time for me. So yeah, let's see how that goes. I'm using the Benefits, I don't know what is it even called. I'll link it down below. I'm just gonna outline both the brows first. Again, I'm using my fingers to like blend out all of that. How much time do we have left? Okay, we have 2 minutes. I'm just gonna dust all of this off really quickly. Whatever's left on the brush, I'm gonna use to set the rest of the face. I think I'm gonna do the I'm gonna do the highlighter first. So I'm using this mixture that I made. It's a mixture of my sunscreen with some powder highlighter. It just gives like a very natural look. Can you see that? It looks very natural. Whatever's left on the nose, the chin. Next, I'm gonna do my mascara. We still have 1 minute and a few seconds left, so that's nice. By the way, I'm so sorry for not like talking, but I don't think I'm very good at multitasking. And I want to be done with this challenge on time. actually really... Hold on. So I applied the mascara on very messily, but that's okay because we'll fix it. And the next thing that we're gonna do is I'm gonna be using some Hoola bronzer really quickly using the same brush. I've actually been loving using bronzer lately. And then I'm just gonna pick up a smaller brush and use it in my crease, the same bronzer. Okay, now to clean up the mascara, I'm just gonna pick up a earbud. Okay, we ran out of time, so that's okay. Yeah, 5 minutes. So yeah, that was the challenge. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Do let me know how you think I did in the comments down below. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Click on the little bell to get notified every time I post a new video. Follow me on my social medias and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Bye!